Welcome to the heart of Eastern Europe. Welcome to Romania, a land where medieval legends, stunning natural beauty, and vibrant culture come together to create an unforgettable journey. From fairy tale towns to bustling modern cities, here are the top 10 must-visit destinations in Romania. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss out on your next adventure. Let's get started. Bucharest, the dynamic capital. Romania's capital is a fascinating mix of history and innovation. Marvel at the Palace of the Parliament, one of the largest buildings in the world. Wander the cobbled streets of the old town, packed with cafes, music, and charm. Catch a concert at the Romanian Athenaeum or stroll through the peaceful Sibiu Gardens. Explore the village museum, showcasing traditional Romanian village life, and don't miss the stunning Stavropolios Monastery. Bucharest is where past and present dance together in perfect rhythm. Brasov, gateway to the Carpathians. Surrounded by mountains, Brasov is a picturesque city filled with Gothic, Baroque, and Renaissance architecture. Visit the iconic Black Church, then explore the charming Old Town and Council Square. Ride the cable car to Mount Tampa for panoramic views and walk down Europe's narrowest street, Strada Sfori. Just a short drive away lies Bran Castle, tied to the legend of Dracula. Brasov is the perfect mix of myth, mountains, and medieval charm. Constanta, Romania's seaside gem. On the shores of the Black Sea, Constanta is the country's oldest continuously inhabited city. Admire the Art Nouveau elegance of the Constanta Casino, and explore ancient history in the archaeological park. Visit the Grand Mosque and the Natural History Museum. Stroll through vibrant Ovid Square and relax on the sandy beaches of Mamaia. Constanta offers a unique blend of culture, history, and coastal beauty. Cluj-Napoca culture meets creativity. In the heart of Transylvania, Cluj is Romania's artistic soul. St. Michael's Church towers over the lively main square, while the Banfi Palace houses the National Art Museum. Wander through Central Park or explore the Ethnographic Museum for insights into local heritage. With its youthful energy, buzzing cafes, and growing art scene, Cluj-Napoca is the cultural capital of the future. Sibiu, the eyes of Transylvania. With its pastel-colored buildings and cobbled alleys, Sibiu is a step back in time. Discover the big and small squares, walk across the Bridge of Lies, and admire the Baroque beauty of the Brukenthal Palace. Climb the Lutheran Cathedral Tower for breathtaking views and explore the city's medieval walls. Sibiu is a storybook town alive with culture and charm. Timișoara, the Little Vienna. Known for its Austro-Hungarian architecture and revolutionary history, Timișoara is both grand and welcoming. Union Square dazzles with Baroque buildings and colorful facades. Visit the stunning Orthodox Cathedral, stroll through Roses Park, and explore Victory Square with its historic opera house. Timișoara is also the birthplace of Romania's 1989 revolution, making it a city of beauty and bravery. Alba Iulia, the City of Unity. Home to the star-shaped Alba Carolina Fortress, this city is a symbol of national pride. Watch the ceremonial changing of the guard, visit the historic Union Hall, and explore centuries-old cathedrals. From Roman ruins to modern patriotism, Alba Iulia connects the past with the present like few places can. Sighișoara, a medieval marvel. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is one of Europe's best-preserved medieval towns. Climb the iconic clock tower for sweeping views and visit the house where Vlad the Impaler was born. Take the wooden staircase up to the church on the hill and experience the town's medieval festival if you visit in summer. Sighișoara is a magical blend of folklore, history, sophisticated and serene. Iasi, city of culture and learning. In northeastern Romania, Iasi shines with intellect and elegance. Marvel at the Neo-Gothic Palace of Culture, home to several museums. Visit the imposing Metropolitan Cathedral and the peaceful Botanical Garden. Climb the Golia Monastery Tower for a panoramic view and explore the city's academic roots at the historic University of Iasi. Iasi is a cultural treasure trove with a poetic soul. Romania is a land of endless discovery, from ancient fortresses and vibrant cities to tranquil mountains and coastal escapes. Each destination tells a unique story, and together they reveal the rich, diverse spirit of Romania. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to give us a like, leave a comment telling us your favorite destination, and subscribe for more amazing travel guides. Until next time, happy travels.